In this video, I'm going to show you 5S examples at home. Welcome back to the channel where I teach you about Lean Six Sigma and how you can improve your life at work or at home. If you're new here, consider subscribing, give me a big thumbs up, and leave a comment below. The first example of 5S at home is my nightstand table. I've purchased this home organizer from IKEA for very, very cheap. And as you can see, I have some electronics organized in this department. I have some wipes here. I have keys in the back compartment. I have some cards. I have my hand cream and some small tools. And here's some electronic devices. Everything organized, a place for everything and everything in its place. My second example of 5S at home is my shaving trimmer kit. I ordered this on Amazon. I'll include the link in the description below, but I love this thing. I got it during the home quarantine, and you can see everything has a place and everything in its place. I've got the shaver here, right? And it's got a charging station. The oil that you can put in the trimmer is here, okay? Then look, a spot for the comb, all of the attachments, all of the different trimmer heads, everything organized. Look, you can't even put it in the wrong way. It doesn't go in that way. It only goes in one way. Everything organized, you know where everything is, and everything is easily accessible. From maintenance to spare parts, everything is included. My last example of 5S at home is my home cleaning kit that I use when I have to clean the house. So as you can see, everything is in one organized kit. Cleaning detergents that I need, from the bathroom cleaner to my hardwood floor cleaner. Okay, we've got some powder chlorine, we've got the sponges, my gloves are in there, everything in one place. So I just pick it up, carry and go. I hope you've enjoyed this quick and short video, and these examples are fantastic. They're very simple. The more simple, the better it is to be 5S, because then you can ensure that it's sustained in the long run. Thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up. Bye.